Welcome to Solitude Float and Wellness. As a first-time floater, you're about to embark on a remarkable journey through your mind and body while experiencing countless mental and physical benefits. During this short video, you'll be instructed on check-in protocol, equipment operation, floating procedures, and recommendations to achieve the best possible floating experience. Upon arrival, you'll be greeted by one of our professional and friendly team members. First, complete a brief liability waiver using a fully sanitized touchscreen tablet. Simply check all the boxes to complete the waiver. After check-in, you'll be guided to your private float room. Along the way, notice our filtration area. At Solitude, we follow best practices to ensure the highest levels of quality and sanitation possible for your safety. Our state-of-the-art filtration system uses an advanced oxidation process, including UV light, ozone, hydrogen peroxide, and 1-micron bag filters. This results in water so clean, it would qualify for FDA-approved drinking water. When you enter the float room, please remember to keep quiet as a courtesy to others that may already be floating. Upon arriving at your float room, the staff member will review the float tank's operation and answer any final questions you may have. Once the staff member leaves, you'll have 5 minutes to undress, shower, and enter the pod before your session begins. Every customer is required to shower before entering the pods. When pre-showering, please use shampoo and body wash, but refrain from using conditioner. Each room is equipped with 3 towels and a Solitude robe. In the event you need to use the restroom during your float, use the robe and bathroom located at the end of the hallway. You'll also find a box containing essential items for your floating experience. Place the washcloth on the hook inside of the float tank. The salt solution can burn your eyes and irritate your taste buds, so keep the washcloth dry and use it to dry your hands whenever touching your face. The salt solution can also irritate open nicks and scratches on the skin, so cover those areas using the petroleum jelly provided. We've also included makeup remover and Q-tips for use at your discretion. Finally, we recommend using the silicone earplugs to prevent salt water from entering the ear canals. Remember to turn off the overhead shower light, the Solitude logo light, as well as your cell phone before entering the pod. Switches for both lights are located near the door. Solitude Float and Wellness offers Evolution float pods, which include numerous amenities for the most relaxing experience possible. Features of the Evolution float pod include bench seating for easy transitioning in and out of the pod, a pebbled texture anti-slip floor, fiber optic starlight ceiling that twinkles and changes color, a high-tech sound system allowing customers to play their audio of choice, a spacious rear ventilation gap allowing for abundant fresh airflow, and dual in-tank heaters to maintain consistent water temperature. The pod lids operate on a hydraulic lift system and can manually be opened and closed by grasping the ergonomic handle. Inside the pod, you'll notice 3 large rubber buttons, which can be activated by pushing the center. The button marked with the light bulb turns the underwater light on and off. The button designated by the star symbol turns the dome-lit ceiling on and off. The button with the music note operates the music volume and has 4 settings. Toggle between silent, low, medium, and high volume levels. A welcome message will play over the audio system, letting you know that your float session is about to begin. Remember that the welcome message starts 5 minutes after the staff member leaves you. As you begin your float, find a comfortable floating position. Common positions include hands at sides, hands above head, or hands behind head. Most importantly, find a position that works for you. Each pod is also outfitted with a flotation pillow which can be used at your convenience. As you become comfortable with your surroundings, we recommend experimenting with the light and sound settings to achieve the best environment for your personal taste. To achieve the greatest benefit, we recommend floating in complete darkness and silence once you're comfortable. It's easy to lose track of time while floating, but don't worry. At the end of your session, the lights will fade on and an exit message will play informing you that your float session is over. Exit the tank and go directly into the shower and rinse your body of the saltwater solution. Conditioner may be used at this time. Once dressed, feel free to take advantage of our makeup room where hair dryers, straighteners, and other amenities are provided. If you need a hairbrush, a staff member will be happy to accommodate you. You may also enjoy relaxing in our post-float lounge, where you can enjoy a cup of tea or a glass of water as you reflect on your floating experience. Some floaters enjoy reading, drawing, or recording their experience or ideas on paper. On your way out, leave the Solitude community an inspiring note on our message board. To recap, you have 5 minutes to get into position once the staff member leaves you. Hang the washcloth in the pod and use it to dry your hand if you need to touch your face. Turn off both light switches and your cell phone. Pre-shower, but do not use conditioner. Cover any wounds with the petroleum jelly. Insert the silicone earplugs, enter the pod and close the lid, get comfortable, and wait for the welcome message to initiate your float session. When finished, shower, hang out in our post-float lounge, and leave a note for the Solitude community on our message board. And please, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn, and leave us a review on Google, Yelp, or TripAdvisor. Finally, get reimbursed for today's float and pick up a free t-shirt by signing up for any one of our float membership options. After a 3-month commitment, you may pause or cancel at any time. A staff member will be happy to discuss membership opportunities with you. Thank you for choosing Solitude and have a great float. Now prepare yourself for the experience of a lifetime.